Okay, so looking at link right here. So it's global value area high, acting as a nice SR level for it. But I can tell you that without it, it looks like it tried to reclaim it over here back in on the April 18th and rejected, and that led to a that's I guess that led to that 30%, 40%, almost 40% downfall. But the fact that it came back up and didn't even clear the high for the last wick right here, that's bearish to me. And also we're seeing this. And if you want to look locally, I don't know what this new anchored volume profile thing is. We'll have to find out what that is. It's a new tool, but it couldn't even reclaim its local value high, which just means that's a failed rotation. That's going to be coming back down to the point of control, which it did, and it's kind of bounced from there. I personally, I'm not. I wouldn't be bullish on it right now. I know a lot of you guys are in another group, so what? Not time to buy or anything right now. It's just time to wait, which is why we barely taken any trades. I mean, it's been like 2-3 weeks and we've taken like 4 trades. It just, you don't want to get. There's no point in putting your money in an uncertain market right now. You just got to be patient. So I really feel like you guys should just. I wouldn't sell, but if you're a long-term link holder, not a buying opportunity right here at all for me. And just same as what I showed with Bitcoin right now. It's just it's just uncertainty right here, and people who are getting in right here are just going to get chopped up because we don't know where we're at right now. We can't really control this, so we don't control this shit. The market makers do. You got to remember, didn't USA move just a ton of their Bitcoin from Silk Road holdings over, so we could see a crash? You never know. I'm just personally not interested in really to trade right now, so that's pretty much it. And I know I just went off the link Bitcoin chart, but that's really the most important one. Yeah, the USDT chart looks a little bit different probably, but that doesn't look. That's not good. The fact that we didn't come and overcome this. And if you want to go put it to the wick, we didn't even touch the top of that right there. So I hate to put it to you that way, and that's a global value area high right there. You want to see 2895, 0521. These are exactly where I have it. 2895. I'm doing that by the BRVP. And if you guys just want confirmation of that, there you go. You'll see it better this way. So that's all I got to say about that.